Oh my gosh. I'm gonna listen to it slowly first. Like a staircase going up. It's like I think. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I think it's 4, 4, 4, 9. It's the backup on the drop that keeps getting me. Now without numbers. Huh? Time to do 0.75 speed. Okay. Time for me to attempt. Okay, now for 1 time speed. Why not you try first? Okay, ready? I'll let you do it. Okay, wait. What? Okay. Right? Okay. Okay, it's 8 notes. The second part is 3 parts. That didn't sound the best, but okay, let's practice it slower. Okay, let's practice the full thing, 0.75. Don't forget the break in between like the second and third whip. Okay, is it time for normal speed? Let's just hear it first. Okay, I have to say this music video is really cute. Okay, ready? Let's listen. But yeah, let's attempt it with them. Yeah, I'm not gonna feel it. How'd you do? You know what we need to do now? Karaoke, because you need to hear yourself by yourself with audio. Okay, I'm gonna sing the beginning part with you just because like it's hard for the time to figure out. Okay, it goes. Boots, that's my ego boots. They're drooling, they loose for a minute. Yeah, I'm that girl I've been left. Okay, did you do it? Okay, now let's do it from I've been touring stateside, so you can like the full part, and then just go back if you want to do it, but let me count you in. I've been touring stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Who knew opening up would make me a headline? Boots, that's my ego boost. Scheduling ain't loose for a minute. Yeah, I'm that girl up in there. How'd you do? If you can belt that, and you know you want to hurt your vocal cords, then do it. Go for it. But I can't belt it, so that's why I'm like head voicing it, falsettoing it. Okay, I know I don't sound the best doing it, but I hope you at least like kind of got the riff down.
Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.